Good morning, children. This is Shubhal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter, Fractions and Decimals, chapter 2 of class 7, and we are going to understand of exercise 2.3, which is a very interesting things to be learned, and there are a lot of things to be known about multiplication of fractions. So here in this video, we will discuss about how to multiply the fractions with mixed fractional forms and all. So let us talk about the question number 2, because question number 1 we have already done in the previous video. So in question number 2 we will come to know about the first question. Let me write the first question: 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Children, how to do this? It's very simple. First job is to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so let me write this 2 by 3 as it is, because it's in a proper form, so nothing to be done with this. 3 will be multiplied with 2, because denominator always gets multiplied with the value, this value which is in a whole form, added to the numerator. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 by 3. Now children, we have to check whether cancellation goes or not. If cancellation goes, we will cancel. If no, then we will just multiply the numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. So children, what to do? As 3 cannot cancel 8, or 3 cannot cancel 2, this 3 cannot cancel 8, or this 3 cannot cancel 2. So we don't have any option. We have to just simply multiply the numerator with numerator. Children, throughout my teaching experience, I have seen children makes mistake to understand. They multiply the numerator with denominator. Don't do that. It never happens this. Numerator will be always multiplied with the numerator. Denominator will be always multiplied with denominator. So 8 multiplied 2, it will be 16. 16 by 3, 3 is a 9. So my answer is 16 by 9. But here we can write our answer 16 by 9, no problem in that. But we teachers, we always want to bring the answer, to write the answer in mixed fractional form. So here 16 by 9 can be brought into mixed fractional form. So 9 ones are 9. 16 minus 9, 7. So my final answer is 1. This 1 will be coming in front, and the remainder will go up, means in the place of numerator, and this 9 will come down. So answer is 1 7 by 9. This is the correct order of expressing any improper fraction into mixed fraction. So I believe it's clear to everyone. So in a similar process, we will try the next question. So the next question number 2 is just as similar with question number 1. I prefer to teach you question number 3. Let's see what is written in number 3. Number 3 is about 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Yes children, I know what are you thinking all. 6 and 8 can be reduced. If we cancel with it by 2, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, I'm cancelling 6 and 8 with 2. So finally this 3 and 3 will be multiplied, and this 4 and 4 will be multiplied. 3 3 is a 9, and 4 into 4 results 16. I got 9 by 16. Children, this is already in proper fraction. We don't have to do anything with it, and this one cannot be converted into mixed fractional form, because mixed fraction only comes from improper. As it's proper, I can't do anything with this. Okay, all right. Now children, next question I can we can go for question number 5, which is a little bit different. Number 5 is about 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So children, how to calculate this number? 3 and 5 can be cancelled. 3 5s are 15. We all know this. Answer is 5 by 8. That's all. This is only our answer. Okay, children. Now, let us talk about question number 3 1. Children, just absolutely similar. 3 1 is about 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So one number is in a mixed fractional form. We will just convert it into improper. So I'll write 2 by 5 into 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. In this 5 and 2 and 4 can be cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So I'm holding over here 21. Just a minute, children. This is 21 by 10. We can convert this number into mixed fraction, no problem in that. So children, these are questions which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I want you to practice your own self. If you get any difficulties to solve, please feel free to speak to me. Now children, something which is different from this multiplication, which is about comparisons. It comes in exam, every year in exam, and moreover we need to understand this very nicely, how to compare the fractions. So children, the first one is question number 4.1 is about, we need to compare 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Children, these two numbers, out of these two set of numbers, which one is greater? Let us calculate. 2 by 7 of means into 3 by 4. So I can cancel this 2 and 4. I'll get 2. Answer is 3 by 14. And from this one, 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Children, I would rather suggest you to mention LHS and RHS, because these two are different set of numbers, so we need to mention LHS and RHS. Now this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled. I'll get 3 by 8. Children, now question is, which one is greater, 3 by 14 or 3 by 8? Which one is greater? Let us compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. So very simple, 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Children, we have to recall, it was in class 6, making them equivalent fractions. How to make equivalent fractions, children? Just do the LCM of, find the LCM of 14 and 8. Just find the LCM of 14 and 8. So 2 7s are 14, 4 2s are 8. So if you multiply 4 7s are 28 into 2, it's 56. So LCM of 14 and 8 is 56. So I'll write 56 here, I'll write 56 here. Now children, what we have to do? We have to just make them equal or equivalent fractions. How 14 turns into 56? When we multiply it by 4. So 4 should be multiplied with numerator of 3 by 14 also. It's a process of making them equal or equivalent fractions. So I'll write 3 4s are 12 over here, because 4 14s are 56 and 3 4s are 12. Again, how 8 turns into 56? When we multiply it by 7. So 7 should be multiplied here also. 7 8s are 56 and 3 7s are 21. So children, which one is larger? Of course 21 by 56 is larger than 12 by 56. So 21 by 56 belongs to 3 by 8. So I'll write 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Matlab, our right hand side, the right hand side is greater than left hand side. Okay children, This is how we write the answer. So I believe it's cleared. If it is not, please watch this video again. Still it's not cleared, then feel free to speak to me. I'll explain once again. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye bye. Take care.